Dear students, I have come with a new module, computation of rank correlation coefficient when actual ranks are given. See, there are two methods for computing rank correlation coefficient. One is we will get actual ranks in the problem. Second one is we will give the values. So you have to convert them into ranks and you have to do the computation. So that is why we have two methods, and in this module we are going to learn the computation when actual ranks are given in the problem. So this method is developed by the British psychologist. His name is Charles Edward Spearman in 1904. So always we refer it as Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Pearsonian coefficient, we have learned that it's used for quantitative data. When you're getting numbers, you can calculate Pearsonian coefficient of correlation. But Spearman's correlation is used when you're getting qualitative data, honesty, leadership ability, all this, or judgment in a beauty contest. So all these variables we can use only using Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So it's denoted by the word RS, small r and S, S for the Spearman's correlation coefficient. Now the equation is very simple, that is RS is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. N denotes the number of observations. So RS is the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. N is the number of observations. D is the difference between paired items in the two series, that meaning the difference between the two sets of ranks. Then RS value will also range from plus 1 to minus 1. If you are getting a value more than 1, then you have to recalculate that because your answer is wrong. There itself you can make sure that your answer is wrong. So always correlation coefficient value will be between plus 1 to minus 1. So positive rank correlation indicates that there is complete agreement in the order of ranks or vice versa. Now, there are two methods, as I already told you, when actual ranks are given and when ranks are not given. So here we are going to do two problems when actual ranks are given. The computation is very, very simple. So two judges in a beauty contest rank 10 entries as follows. Compute Spearman's rank correlation and interpret the result. Rank for X series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Rank for Y series 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 9 and 10. Now what will be the D value? D value will be the deviation that between X series and the Y series, that is 1 minus 8. Like that you have to calculate the deviations for all the values. Now the solution, you can see that R1 is the first rank, what is given as X series in the problem. R2 is the what are the values given as Y series in the problem. Now D is equal to R1 minus R2. Plus sign will be there and minus sign will be there. We have to take signs into consideration. So minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, 0, 2, 4, 2, 7, 0 and 0. Now we have to calculate D square values 49, 25, 9, 0, 4, 16, 4, 49, 0 and 0. Total you are getting 156. Now we have to substitute the values in the equation. RS is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. Now we can substitute the values in the equation, that is equal to 1 minus 6 into 156 divided by 10 cube minus 10. That is plus 0.0545. Negligible positive rank correlation indicates that ranks are in the same direction. That meaning, though the ranks are in the same direction, judges are not in complete agreement as to common tastes of beauty. Now we will see the second problem, that is, here there are three sets of values. 10 competitors in a music competition were ranked by 3 judges A, B and C are as follows. Values of A is given or ranks given by A is given, B is given and C is given. Using rank correlation, find out which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste in music. That meaning A values or A ranks we will denote as R1, B we will denote as R2 and C we will denote as R3. So we have to find the rank correlation between R1 and R2, R2 and R3 and R1 and R3. So three computations are there. So now we have to see the computation. As I told you, computation is very simple. R1 values are there, R2 values are there and R3 values are there. So first you take the deviation R1 minus R2. Then square the deviations. Then the deviations between R2 and R3. Square the deviations. Then the deviations between R1 and R3. then square the deviations. So you will get the values. First set of values, deviation total is 200. Second set, it's 214, and third set is 60. Now you have to substitute the values in the equation. 3 correlation coefficient values we will get, that is the rank correlation coefficient. First set, it is minus 0.212. Second set is minus 0.2969. Third is plus 0.63636. That meaning first two sets it's negative correlation. That meaning we don't have to consider that. We are asked to find out the correlation coefficient where the judges have in complete agreement. That meaning wherever we are getting positive correlation. So our conclusion can be the agreement, common taste to beauty is based or between R1 and R3. Because rank correlation for R1 and R2 is negative. They have no common taste to music. Second one is R2 and R3 is also negative. They have no common taste to music in the judgment. The rank correlation between R1 and R3 is positive. So the judges R1 and R3 have the nearest approach to common taste in music. Now we have to explain the merits of rank correlation. So rank correlation is simple to understand and easy to compute, and this is the only method we can use for qualitative information. So when you are getting qualitative information like judgment or honesty, leadership abilities, all this we can calculate the rank correlation coefficient. If ranks are given instead of data, this is the only method possible. There are two methods of giving information. One is the numbers, the quantitative information we will get. Then you can use Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. But if you are getting qualitative information or if you are getting ranks, then if you want to calculate, you can use only rank correlation. Now, limitations of rank correlation. This method cannot be used for group frequency distribution. Group frequency distribution, this rank correlation is not possible to calculate. So that is the one main limitation. Second method is if the number of observation is exceeding 30, then the computation will be very difficult. So always we have to remember that if n is exceeding 30, this method cannot be used for computation. So this is what I want to explain with this module. Thank you.